Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study forensic medicine for MBBS. We'll cover a step-by-step approach to mastering this crucial subject. First, begin by grasping the fundamental principles of forensic pathology and toxicology. Next, dedicate time to understanding the legal and ethical frameworks that govern medical practice. Finally, practice applying these forensic concepts to various clinical situations to solidify your knowledge. To study effectively, start by thoroughly reading standard textbooks and reliable reference materials. These resources provide the foundational knowledge you need. Next, develop detailed notes and flowcharts, especially for intricate topics like post-mortem changes or poisoning mechanisms. This active learning helps consolidate information. Finally, regularly practice with past examination questions to familiarize yourself with question patterns and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Focus your efforts on high-yield topics such as forensic toxicology, medical jurisprudence, and the detailed procedures of autopsies. These areas frequently appear in examinations. Supplement your learning by reviewing various case studies. They offer invaluable insights into real-world forensic applications. Additionally, leverage online platforms and video lectures to clarify difficult concepts and gain different perspectives on the subject matter. Engage actively in practical sessions, and if possible, observe post-mortem examinations. This hands-on experience is incredibly beneficial for understanding theoretical concepts. Regularly discuss complex cases with your peers and faculty members. This collaborative approach helps deepen your understanding and critical thinking skills. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Consistent review is key to long-term retention.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.